हेलो हेलो माइक टेस्टिंग 1 2 3 1 2 3 पहले मेरे को इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहिए ओके hi everybody, my name is Sanya and today we'll talk about how to get confident and how to not feel anxious when you get on the stage. I was somebody who was very frightened to get on the stage, but now I'm somebody who would not like to get off the stage, and this is my journey. These are the few things that I've learned in the last 3 years, because I've been doing public speaking mainly from last 3 years. And now, today, we are going to share you the few tips that I have followed in my life, which has helped me become confident. So, first of all, we'll start with being delusional. Yes, everybody says it, oh, it's just something that people can say. No, be delusional. When you get on the stage, think that everybody who's sitting in the audience is there to hear you. Even if you're just a random person, even if you're just giving the quote of the day, maybe you just have to go on the stage, say 2 3 lines. Just think in your mind that you are the person that all these people have come to hear. Always think yourself as the main character in your mind, and it will help you out. I will assure you that this will help you out, because when you get on the stage, the anxiety, the anxiousness that you might have had pehle, ab wo nahi rahegi, because all these people are there to hear you. So even if you end up making grammatical errors, or even if you end up fumbling, nobody's going to care, because you are the main character. So in your mind, always think yourself as the main character. Even if you have to give a 5 minutes prep talk to yourself before the actual event, do that. I think I've been on the stage more than 200 times, but till date, before getting on the stage, I rehearse the lines that I'm supposed to say, and I talk to myself. I tell myself that you are a diva, everybody's here to listen to you, you're going to make sure that nobody talks while you're speaking. I see a lot of good things to me, and I think it is because of that that when I get on the stage, I really don't care about the people, I really don't care about their opinions, because at the end of the day, what matters to me most is how I perform on the stage. Their opinions never really mattered and are never going to matter. Second thing, again, one of the best things that has helped me out in being confident on the stage is, second, make sure that you rehearse your lines. For example, if let's say you are supposed to say some speech for your guest of honor, or maybe some speech at your farewell, make sure that you read those lines. I'm telling you to read those lines, not learn those, because at the end of the day, you might end up fumbling. You have to accept the fact that fumbling ho sakti hai. So accept it, but when you get on the stage, even if you, let's say, end up saying something wrong, just try to make more sentences on the spot. One thing that I do is that I stand in front of the mirror and I rehearse my lines. I never learn my lines, I only read those lines and then I try to say it in front of the mirror. So even if I end up making some mistakes, I make sure that मैं on the spot ही उन line से कोई नई line बना दूं. So even if that particular mistake happens on the stage, I'm not uh, I'm not completely confused about कि अब क्या करूं, हम मैंने तो गलत line बोल दी है. Third point is one of the most important points, and I've been following it since the time when I was in school. I remember जब मैं मुझे अपनी speeches for particular classes, all these assemblies और all these kids that I was part of, जब मैं उनकी lines rehearse करती थी, तब भी मैं यही सोचती थी. And after doing too many MUN conferences, too many debate competitions, I still think in this particular way. This is a golden tip that I'm giving you all. Whenever you get on the stage, think that everybody sitting in the audience is a fool. Now you might think that, oh Sanya, that is so disrespectful. Why would you think that everybody sitting in the audience is fool? My dear, that will help you out. If you think that everybody sitting in the audience is a fool, तो आपको उनके opinion से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Because now, for example, even if there are very high dignitaries sitting in the audience, I still think in my mind that I am better than everybody else. I am Sanya Balhara. All of them are there to hear me. So even if I end up making some grammatical errors, मैं fumble भी कर देती हूँ, मुझे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मैं on the spot नई line बना देती हूँ. And I'll tell you this, if you are anxious or if you're nervous about what people are going to think about you, you will end up making more mistakes. The stage performances where I know that people in the audience will judge me, or they will end up making rumors about me, or they will create judgments and maybe spread some rumors about me, I have given the worst speeches of my life during that time. But when I thought that, oh, all these people, they don't really matter, ये मुझे क्या जज करेंगे, तो खुद ऐसे लोग हैं, तब मैं ये चीजें सोचती हूँ, तो I always end up saying very good things on the stage. And I, because you get very confident in yourself. So make sure that whenever you get on the stage, you give this yourself like a 5-minute prep talk where you tell them, where you tell yourself that everybody in the audience is a fool. I am the diva, everybody is here to hear me. Even if I end up making grammatical errors, fumbling, whatever happens, I don't care, because at the end of the day, they really can't change the fact that I am Sanya Balhara. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. And the last point is also one of the most important points, that don't be so judgmental about yourself. Do not make such negative opinions about yourself. The world is not very cruel. We are very cruel to ourselves. Uh, I remember long time back, I think in the first year of my college, I ended up giving a speech where my voice was shaking. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझे क्या बोलना है, because they asked me, Sanya, it's your turn, and I wasn't really prepared at that time, but they asked me to get on the stage. I did go, and then I was very anxious that, oh, I haven't really prepared anything, so I will have to speak everything on the spot. I'm not such a good speaker, I don't know such good English words. What are people going to think about me? And I ended up giving the worst speech of my life till date. Whenever I have the video of the same, and I'm not going to upload it because that is again an insecurity in me, but I ended up giving that bad speech because I really cared about what people are going to say. But nobody remembers that. 5 years down the line, only I remember that speech. Only I remember that I gave such a bad speech, that I was fumbling on the stage, that my voice changed when I got on the stage. Only I remember those things, but nobody else does. This is exactly the point. Nobody's going to remember the speech that you gave. Nobody is going to remember what you ended up saying, but everybody will remember you, how you treated them. So make sure that you treat them well, but at the same time not care about what they have to say. People are not so judgmental, and even if people are, for a day, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 days, or a week, or maybe most probably not more than a month, they're going to tease you about the same thing. So it's all right. Don't think about their opinions, because at the end of the day, the only opinion that you should care about is your own opinion. So don't care about them. Make sure that whenever you get on the stage, you don't give yourself all the negative opinions that are there in your mind. Obviously, when you're supposed to say something, आप एक छोटी सी गलती करोगे, your mind will trick you into thinking that, oh, you have created a blunder, and you can't really reverse that back. But you can actually do so. And yeah, so just be confident. So these are the few points that I think everybody should follow before getting on the stage. These things will help you become more confident in life. At the same time, I think it is very important to work on your speaking skills. I think it is very important that you start working on your speaking skills before you have an event. So agar aapka, maybe if you have an event, let's say 5 days later, so start reading good English books, start listening to good English YouTubers, like maybe 5 days back, 5 days before the event, so that you actually end up getting more knowledge. Start learning a few more words that you can actually use during that particular event. 4-5 words learn kar lena, it will just give you more confidence. But one thing that will help you out is being delusional, thinking that you're the best in the room, thinking that everybody who's listening to is a loser, and thinking that their opinions will not affect your life, because it truly will never affect your life. Okay, so I think that's it from my end, and this was my first YouTube video ever, and I hope I'm going to put more such YouTube videos. So stay tuned. If you feel like, you can like, share, comment if you like. Thank you.